In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find fonts and format text in Canva. Let's start right inside your design so you can follow along in real time. To add text quickly, press the T key on your keyboard. This drops a text box onto your canvas instantly. If you prefer a guided option, open the Text tab on the side panel and choose a heading, subheading, or body text. Headings are great for titles. Subheadings help with hierarchy, and body text keeps paragraphs readable. With a text box selected, go to the top toolbar and open the font name dropdown. Here you can browse by name if you already have something in mind, or explore by category and mood, like handwritten, modern, or serif. As you hover or apply fonts, pay attention to legibility and how the style supports your message. A playful script might be perfect for an invite, while a clean sans serif shines in presentations or social posts. To narrow options, click the filter icon inside the font search bar. You can limit results by language support to ensure special characters display correctly. And choose to show only free or pro fonts, depending on your plan. This saves time and keeps your picks consistent across projects. If you want polished combinations without the guesswork, open the Design tab and select Styles. You'll see curated font pairs that apply to your design with one click. These pairings are crafted to balance headings and body text, helping you maintain clear hierarchy and visual rhythm. Now, let's format. With your text selected, use the toolbar at the top of the editor for quick adjustments. Change the size to set importance and choose a color that contrasts well with your background. Apply bold, italic, or underline sparingly to emphasize keywords without overwhelming the layout. Control alignment next, left, center, right, or justified, depending on your design structure. If you are creating lists, toggle bulleted or numbered formats for clarity and scannability. For fine-tuning, click spacing. Adjust letter spacing to open up crowded text or tighten loose titles and refine line. Height so paragraphs feel airy but connected. If you need to switch tone quickly, use the AA icon to convert text between uppercase and lowercase. For visual flair, open Effects. Add shadows for depth, outlines for punchy headlines, neon glows for standout graphics, or curve your text to wrap around shapes and images. When you need precision typography, choose Advanced Text Format to access subscript, superscript, and ligatures. Keeping scientific notations, footnotes, and stylistic letter pairs clean and accurate. That's it. Thanks for watching.